session, she was bit confused, either to choose this or that.
I was not fixed about the career.
Sometimes what happens, parents being very close to the child, they don't able to see those weak points and strength points, which as a third eye can see. I think that was the core purpose of the psychometry test. So yes, I think it was great. It was good that assessment is done before the career counseling starts. So it's not straight away. You're not asking fish to fly and you're not asking bird to swim. So that segregation is kept. I think that's a good one.
In my interests and my personality, maximum things were accurate. Like I also had an opportunity to explore myself, being specific.
I think it was really good. It actually showed me my personalities which I was not really aware of.
It was so comfortable and friendly session. I was able to share everything with her. She was also like a good listener, and she also gave me a lot of suggestions on my demerits.
This counseling session has really helped us to just guide us as a family to just select to see the path how we can just approach and which is the best course I think we can select for our family.
Analyzing what all are the top courses and jobs for me, they told me what I can do, like next after UG, what I can study, what I can approach, what type of work I can do and everything, and where I can study and all the courses and the colleges, university, they gave all briefly explained in that.
This program also helped me because I could see new prospects or new
This is actually a very different and emotional touch based methodology to keep the employees attached with the company. I think that's because kids are always the soft corner, and if you are thinking about the employees' kids, I think that actually keeps the employee associated with the company. They feel connected not only professionally but also emotionally. So that's a very well thought step. I think it's a very nice step.
I think it's a great initiative that DP World is doing this because it is very helpful and it guides a lot of people. Even I'm very grateful that I got this opportunity. I wish I got this opportunity a few years back, but still it's very good. And then DP World does take good care of the employees as well as
of them for taking their time to do this for us, for our own better. It was really appreciative. I think it must have helped many out there who are still confused about their career, who are not well informed about what they want to do.
Thanks to the management. It's a very good, wonderful program. So it is useful to all the students. Okay.
I'd like to thank the DP World management for giving a great opportunity for me and my family. Okay. It is really a great effort from them.
Everybody is confused right now what sort of career is suitable for him. But if you go through the Mentoria, it's a platform where everything is precisely mentioned, and then you have to pick what you want, and based on that you have to connect the dots. So regarding your career, everything is available. It's a wonderful thing. I must congratulate Mentoria that they are doing really wonderful job.
This is what is very crucial for me actually, for my son actually. We were just thinking about what would be the next thing I should do for my son, which course I'll select. I think this has really helped.
As you said that most organizations focus on their employees development mainly. So yeah, it was a very good initiative by the DP World organization that they are also reaching out to the employees' family to help their children also get to know about developing their careers in many streams. Also, this program has would surely help many children to explore things.
Want to say thank you to you because this session is too good. We know so many things. So, and everybody from DP World, everybody should attend the session and all that. childs, maybe 8, 9, 12. Maybe they are in the first year, second year also, but they have to attend, I think.